Hi students, in this series we are going to deal with Vaishishtya of Yukti Pramana, means the importance of Yukti Pramana. Yukti Pramana helps in four different aspects. First is Jnana Yojana. Second is Karya Yojana. Third is Yukti Yukta Yojana. Fourth is Samyak Yojana. Jnana Yojana means it is a combination of different knowledges. Different knowledges का combination है, युक्ति नहीं. Karya Yojana means there is it's a combination of different karyas. Means there are many karanas for a karya. So yukti is a karya. There is a yojana in the karyas in yukti. Samyak yojana means proper combination. Proper combination of many karanas is very necessary to get a proper karya. So there is a samyak yojana, proper combination. Then yukti yukta yojana. These yojanas, karyas and karanas are related with a proper reasoning, without which this combination should not happen. So these are the four factors that is makes yukti very important. Yukti is a yogigi kalpana, or can be considered as the compound reasoning. Means yukti helps in analyzing many things, and we will get a proper jnana out of analyzing all these things. So yukti is considered as a yogigi kalpana. Another example, clear-cut example for this is when you try to make a good result from medicines, we will mix different combinations. We will mix different combinations in order to get good results of our treatment. So there is this type of approach can be considered as a compound reasoning. A person having respiratory disease symptoms as well as digestive symptoms. So the physician will administer different formulations that will target these two conditions. So this is called yogigi kalpana, compound reasoning. Yukti helps to understand or analyze bahu karanas and will helps to attain a sadhya jnana out of bahu karanas. Or yukti can be called as bahu karana janya sadhya jnana. From bahu karanas, बहुत सारे कारणों से एक साध्य ज्ञान मिलते हैं. From the definition of the yukti itself, there are many things that makes yukti important. It is considered as one among the Chaturveda parikshas. It is considered by many Acharya Charaka as a method for Rogi Roga Pariksha. It gives knowledge about Trikalas, means Bhudakal, Varthamanakal or Bhavishyakal. It gives the knowledge about Trivarga, that is Dharma, Artha and Kama. Yukti is very important in analyzing the Patya Apatya Yojana. Means Yukti helps to analyze what is good for the body and what is bad for the body. By using Yukti, person can himself identify what is good for his body, that is Patya, and what is not good for his body, that is Apatya. Physician uses the Yukti Pramana to analyze what is good for his patient and what is not good for his patient. Yukti is also used in the Yantra and Shastra Karmas. The Vaidyas have to very clearly use the Yukti Pramana while assessing which Yantra to be used on what Shalya, what is the nature of Shalya. These things can be assessed with the help of Yukti Pramana. So, in a total, Yukti Pramana plays a very important role in health, diagnosis of the disease and treatment of the disease. So, Yukti Pramana is very important in Ayurveda because main aim of Ayurveda is to promote all these three things. So in this series we have discussed about the importance of Yukti Pramana, and in the next series we will discuss about the application of Yukti Pramana in Ayurveda. By this we come to an end to series Yukti Pramana series 3.